How to replace the ear seals on the David Clark Pro-X2 headset. The old ear seals can simply be pulled off. You'll notice there's a small lip around the ear seal that matches up with the headset. The new ear seals have that same lip. Slip it on and work it all the way around. There's one side. Replacing the ear seals is an easy way to make your headset more comfortable. The ear seals will degrade over time, and we find that if you let them out in the cold or the hot sun, it'll cause them to degrade quicker.